If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in billet silver. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch silver aluminum wheels, power heated exterior mirrors with manual fold-away, deep tint sunscreen glass, LED tail lamps, front and rear interior LED lamps, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, only 36,000 miles on the odometer, a Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, a rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, a media hub, illuminated cup holders, front and rear interior LED lamps, split folding rear seats, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3451A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.